Why did we build the Mode XO?
Simply put, the XO with the BoomBox and the electric slide Loveseat exists because we listen to our community. We know that people love the OG with the Halo shower and the Groovelounge. We also know that we were missing out on a large part of the market that really requires that enclosed water closet. We wanted to bring a product to market that satisfied the needs for those customers.
Our team of brilliant designers and engineers and craftsmen have put together the Mode XO, and we think everybody's going to love it.
The XO is essentially an evolution of what we've done and perfected here at Storyteller. You know, hey, what would this look like with a fully fixed shower? But we're not just going to sit there and make it like a fully rigid shower. We're going to add some of our own spin to things of how things could be better.
The intent of changing as little as possible actually turned into changing about 35% of the van. And so, you know, one small change to the shower affects something else.
And with that, structural components, the stuff that goes on behind the walls, the roof, everything had to change while also maintaining the same level of appearance and quality that we've always done.
So seating is always a challenge, especially with building Class Bs and honestly anything vehicle related.
So in the OG, we have the Groovelounge that folds down into the twin-size bed, or for the bed for your fur babies or for some of your gear. In the XO, we had to change that seat because of the enclosed and fixed water closet. So now we have the electric slide Loveseat.
So with the electric slide, the ability for them to actually adjust left to right in terms of the vehicle for comfort for the end user. That's one thing. You know, if you're a bigger person, you know, you can kind of slide out and spread out a little bit more. And if you're, maybe you're a little bit, on a smaller frame or something like that, you can have a little bit more of a cozy experience. One of the things that I really love that we've done is integrate certain special things, like for instance, the hidden cup holders. It's that small little touch that opens up when you actually slide that seat out, and you actually get to see those cup holders. Like, wow, someone thought about that, and it's really, really nice to have that. But we do have that. We have that ability now on the wall that's also located next to an electric slide window, which is also really, really great. I think I know that we have a lot of people that really love the Groovelounge with their furry friends, but maybe they might like to check out the electric slide with a pooch, and they can put their head out the window a little bit and get some of those smells in.
From the second you step into an XO, you know it's a Storyteller. Our design team doesn't skip over any single detail. They don't leave any leaf unturned as far as quality, fit, and finish goes. What consumers love about our OG, they find in the XO as far as the materials used, the stitching in the seats. We've been able to keep a lot of that openness and spaciousness that people know and love about the OG and bring it into the XO. So you have that full standing height from the front to the rear. You still have the same amount of cabinet space, so you really still keep all of your storage components, but now you just have your enclosed water closet.
We travel in these vehicles as much as we possibly can when we're not here at the factory, and rattles drive us absolutely crazy. We spend an enormous amount of time working on NVH with noise, vibration, and harshness.
That's an enemy to Storyteller, so we do everything we can to make things to where everything fits nice, everything has cushions behind it or noise reducing things to make it a nice vehicle. We want our vans and trucks and anything we build to drive, sound, feel like an OEM vehicle, not like an upfit vehicle.
The BoomBox on the XO, the enclosed shower space, whenever we started, we did a lot of competitive analysis on the market, looked at the current competition space, gave us a good, decent level of benchmarks on what numbers to really hit, and from there we kind of laid out the layout foundation on the overall package space that we needed to protect for the size of the shower.
You are able to sit down and shower, even if you are a bigger person. I've been in there and checked it out. It works for its intended use. It provides enough space for you to shower sitting down, and it actually can be quite comfortable instead of just standing up all the time. Cassette toilet, that's something that's not necessarily new to us here at Storyteller. It's very, very standard in the industry, and we do that so that it is easier for an end user to be able to empty that system when they need it.
You can actually dump them into a regular toilet or actually dump stations on RV sites.
It's not something that is a black tank. You don't have the thing called the stinky slinky and all that other stuff.
We try to make everything have multi-purpose by adding in removable shelves that easily store in the vehicle, so something that you don't have to leave in your garage, and it's always there with you, and when you need more storage, the shelves slide right into the shower.
Those molly panels actually turn into shelves in the BoomBox. So that's another area that you can further customize even in your own shower itself. If that's, storing stuff to eat, or some of your gear, maybe like it's gotten, waterlogged from being on the mountain all day, bored with your friends, right? It's an area for you to place stuff and for it to dry off.
The shelves are providing a different kind of storage that our modes, the OG, has never had.
Being able to get up in the bed, it's a really challenging thing when you've got, a fixed shower there. Where do you put a step? How do you hide the step? How do you use the step? All these things have to work together in order to provide that very, very simple solution that's there when you need it and it's gone when it's not.
So one of our core philosophies is always being receptive and responding to the comments from our customers. The feedback that our community provides us is critical to our decision making and just generally how we operate in the community. So we listen very carefully, and over time people have asked us again and again for an enclosed shower and a flushable toilet, and we're now providing that with the Mode XO. It's a riot to travel in, and we'll always continue to build the Mode OG with the Halo shower, but now we have a Mode XO that has an enclosed shower and the flushable cassette commode.
It's still the same Storyteller magic, and that's really kind of one of the biggest things here. It's the magic of everything that we put into these vehicles, quality that you can trust, the build materials, the look and feel of things, the ability to look at how things are put together, but also kind of that thing when you walk in the vehicle, does it have a fold-out shower? Does it have a rigid shower? At the end of the day, it's just kind of a personal choice for your personal preference, but at the end of the day, you're still getting the same great product from Storyteller.
Our design and engineering team took what the market already loved about the Mode OG and brought it into the Mode XO to make it available for a broader audience. We're excited to continue building our OG modes alongside our new XO modes so that we can continue to bring more people to the Storyteller community.